Onion barges to start. That's got some onion barges. Yeah. And I'm having a chicken jalfrezi.
Which I've just shared with.
Yeah. Being cheapskates, I didn't get one. So Pat got an onion bargee and shared it with me.
Can you see what you're doing, David? Have you got a torch?
Yeah. Can't see a thing with that. And this is where Patsy does all her ironing.
Oh, my little bits. It's in. Like a dress shop in here.
Hey up. So, this is what it's like.
Well, it's high. It goes lower down than I thought. I thought it would be on the same level.
David's down there. Can't see him. So this is in the back of the wardrobes. There's a hatch access. There's the access hatch. It's in the back of the wardrobe. So he's going to use this stuff. The felt underneath has got torn. So he's going to paint it with some stuff. Some sealing type paint, and then dry it with he's got a gun, heat gun. He's going to dry it with the heat gun, and then he's got some of this finished flashing strip, which has got like tar in it. So he's going to put that on and heat it up with a gun, with his heat gun in it. It'll seal it. So that's what he's doing. And that is why we haven't done a video today. Because that's what we're doing here. David's got time on his hands to do this leak, to repair this leak today, so I'm helping him. So this is your video for today. Right. Yeah. Right.
I put the drying in and hold the drying up, so
Pat's doing what she does.
I'll go off and
You're going to do some lunch, yeah. Yeah.
Is David doing all that before he has lunch?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay.
So I can't tell you exactly how long we'll be.
I will.
All right, love.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.